Kylie Jenner unveils million-dollar two-story wardrobe in Hidden Hills renovation project. A staircase, half-built, leads nowhere, yet it promises something vast in the Hidden Hills estate of Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner shared the raw framework of her envisioned two-story wardrobe space, a cavernous area still under construction, meant to hold treasures already worth a fortune. Years earlier, her collection of handbags alone touched roughly $1 million. Rare pieces, some made from exotic hides, sit in a separate room, each one priced like a small car. Now, with this new build, the scale seems to stretch even further, as if to match the sprawling property she acquired for about $15 million back in 2020. That same year, another mansion in Holmby Hills came into her possession for over $36 million, only to be listed later for a steeper $48 million or so. Outside, a pool glints. Guest houses dot the grounds. A garage built for a dozen cars waits silently. But inside, the focus sharpens on a single necklace, a Cartier piece worth 30 grand, worn casually to the shore. Diamonds, too, over that same value, draped on her during a beach stroll, as ordinary as wearing flip-flops to grab coffee. The numbers behind her name hover near 700 million, built from cosmetics, deals, and calculated sales. Her estate grows alongside it, morphing with additions that feel less like home and more like a statement. A 12-car shelter, for instance, seems less practical when you picture it empty, like a school parking lot on a holiday. Construction dust still lingers in the images she posted. The wardrobe space isn't done, and maybe that's the point. It looms as a shell, waiting to be filled with more than just fabric or leather, sitting there in Hidden Hills, half-formed,